Naka-announce na ba to?
Yes.
Na nag-live ako.
Announce naman siya. Ikaw. Ikaw na next one. Ikaw.
Okay, first time ko magla-live in forever. Paano kaya to? Hello live, kumusta? Guys, mag-join muna kayo. Ano yan? Mic? Connected ba yan? Hello everyone. Kahit saan na lang, no? Pwede ko din Can I hold it na lang? Ito yung signature ko eh. Hello everyone. Mel, shout out to you. Kaka, shout out to you. Sino pa nandito sa chat? Sino pa nandito? Screen record mo yan. Screen record mo yan. Screen mo yan. Hello everyone. Join in please. Join in. May mga talking points kami dito. So, Mom, hello. I see you there. Mom, I see you sa live. Hello. Mom, mag-comment ka. Okay, so ano kaya? Start na ako? Or inan na ba to? Goods na to? Start na ako? Hello everyone. So today we're IG Live. We're gonna do some talking points. So yung first talking point ko ay share my experience as the male lead in Ang Mutya ng Section E. O teka lang, Mom, hello, I saw that you commented. Love you, Mom. Shout out to you. Yun nga po, yung experience ko as a main lead in Section E is like, I don't know how to explain my experience as the main lead. Parang, I just felt like I was Kiefer and that was it. And now we're here. And yun nga, I think my experience as Kiefer talagang is, I'm super grateful for the opportunity to play the character Kiefer. And Ate Lara, shout out to you because you really wrote such a phenomenal character that is Mark Kiefer Watson. And yun nga, I feel like that experience that I got, the opportunity to play Kiefer, parang that's an opportunity that I'll never forget and I'll carry with me for the rest of my life. Nax, diba? Okay,